I'd like to invite you to join me for my Om movement workshop. I'll be teaching live online via Zoom from my home studio. You'll just need a little bit of space and a mat, and I'll be leading you through some movement sequences that are inspired by the Celtic Ogham, the ancient Druid alphabet, a magic alphabet to lead us down a path and through a portal. I've chosen 6 of the trees from the alphabet, and the first week we'll focus on birch and the quality of opening the body, opening our minds to new opportunities. The next week we'll move into oak with strength and resiliency, expansion. We'll find flow in our minds and bodies with the quality of willow. Pine can help us to see the big picture, reaching into the peripheral, seeing what might be coming, what might be ahead. Reed will find movements that will help us with focus and clarity and precision. In the final week, we'll do movements and exercises for letting go of that which no longer serves. I hope you can join me to listen to the trees as our teachers and to feel our own bodies as a moving part of the natural world. Hope to see you there.